Hello, this is Jeff from Blizzard. Thanks for clicking in and checking out the new Women's 17-18 lineup. I'm holding the Women's Black Pearl 78. This ski is targeted for the average intermediate through expert skier that tends a little more towards the front side. With that narrower 78 waist, can be a little quicker turning, maybe even a little bit of bumps. What makes a Blizzard ski is the flip core. That's what we talk about. It's the way we build our skis. The core of the ski goes into the mold in that shape. It is pressed evenly, comes out so that it's going to ski with less vibration, easier to ski on. You can have more fun all day long. So that is the Women's Black Pearl 78 Carbon Flip Core WSD.